Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's Removal Guide for Toyota's 95-04 Tacoma rear bumper, hitch, and bed. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Starting with the rear bumper, with a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws from both license plate lights and pull them free from the bumper. Remove the bulbs by turning their bracket counterclockwise. Push the bulbs back into the bumper and pull them down through the bottom to ensure they won't get stuck when removing the bumper. Step 3. Begin removing the hitch. With an 18mm socket, remove the two bolts from each side of the receiver. With an 18mm socket and wrench, remove the two bolts from each side of the hitch frame mounts and remove the hitch. Step 4. Begin removing the rear bumper. With an 18mm socket and wrench, and the help of a friend, remove the two bolts on each side of the bumper frame mounts. The bumper will fall, so be sure to support it during the process. Step 5. Begin removing the bed. With a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew and remove the 4 screws from each tail light. Push down on the power cord clip and pull out each cord, freeing the light. Follow the power cord and pull it through and out of the housing to prevent it from getting stuck. Again, follow the power harness under the bed and with a body clip remover, remove the cords from the bed. Step 6. Just in front of each rear tire, with an 18mm socket, remove the bolt from the bed mount bracket on each side. On the frame rail below the tailgate, with an 18mm socket, remove the bolt from the bed mount bracket on each side. Next, unscrew your gas cap, and with an 8mm socket, remove the 4 bolts retaining your filler tube liner and remove it. Step 7. With the help of friends, lift the bed off the rails while ensuring the gas filler tube doesn't get caught. And you're done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on our social media accounts for more guides like this.